Great ideas are like tiny sparks that can ignite a great fire within. A fire fueled by passion and drive that can lead to incredible changes. How did the great luminaries and creators throughout history come up with their great ideas? How did they ignite the creative fire? What was the process they used? And what if there was a way to turn yourself and your team into an idea factory that could transform everything in your path? Did you know groundbreaking research shows that the worst place to develop ideas is sitting at your desk at work? But have you ever heard about rebooting the mind? Join us for an exclusive online workshop. It's a 90-minute intensive live workshop that includes groundbreaking information, plus many takeaways that you can use immediately. Kamran Loghman, the leading expert on innovation, leadership, and performance, will guide you step by step using this battle-tested process that can turn you and your team into an idea factory. Don't miss out. Space is limited, so register now.